Alright guys, it's Thursday again. You know what that means. You know what it's time for. That's right, it's Mail Thing Thursday. And I at least got a package today. So, I'm Walter. This is Country 3D, and welcome to the trailer home.
Yeah, I'm chilling on a dirt road, laid back swerving like I'm George Jones. Smoke rolling out the window, and ice cold beer sitting in the console. Memory lane up in the headlight.
You've got mail.
Alright guys, we got one package, and I need to see what's in it. I think I know. Not 100% sure, but I believe I do. So let's see what we got here. Got me an actual mail opener this time. Got me a little letter opener. Ooh, man, I need to sharpen it. Oh, somebody used that for cutting down a pine tree. So we're gonna sharpen that up later on, but right now it'll open the box. All right. Let's see what we got in this box right here. Safety first, kids. In this box we have some praline, whatever, 3D Drucker filament. That's what it says. I don't know what the hell that means. Just 3D printer filament is what this is. And it is praline TPU 1 kilogram spool. So that's really all the mail we got today was just this. So I'm hoping that the next Mail Thing Thursday we'll have a little bit more. And I got a new, you saw the new intro. So y'all tell me what you think. I like the theme, blah 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 blah. But y'all tell me in the comments below. If you like what you're seeing, like, subscribe, ring the bell. Mail's pretty much going to be my only... Well, I ain't going to say that. I try to do 90% of stuff live. You know that. So, mail's over. So, y'all catch me on the other side, I guess. We're gonna do some prints with this. And I will be doing a video, live video, of how this looks. And how it prints. Y'all come back and join us.